And my lovely people from Livelihood Homes, I get told Okoh and told.
Nah,
Atol. Something hold on go for India, my brother, the guy around called Nigeria. Call Nigeria. And some of them they don't go England, he call Nigeria. Some brother Nigeria 19 he call Nigeria. The hostel is here. And also we get Okoh, Nathaniel Okoh for Inside Studio. Now, Nat, before I come up for Inside Studio, quickly make I ask you something. Because if I give you my money,
yes,
I need, because plenty people don't come out and say they sell land, chop people money.
Yes.
Plenty. I know go like give you plenty. Now, waiting with the thing where go make people where they watch us for house now get mind. Call on a number where they scroll on top TV now and say, make I call these people, make them arrange this land, make we discuss this thing, how go to them. What you go talk, we go make person trust on.
Okay, good. You know, we get all kinds of level of trust. Good. You know, this our company, we don't do for so many years. Because why I will tell you get that confidence, they trust us, they say people don't give allocation. So if you go our estate from when you go see houses. Some of our customers don't they build already. Okay. Make you go, let me say they talk for make you go stand with your eyes. Some of our customers don't they build houses already. Okay. Now Agbara, they don't they build now, Mowe, they don't they build now for where they don't they build. So with all these things so you don't see around with the apple within our estate. At least you don't reach for you to believe. You understand? You can't get confidence, okay, good. Once I get my location now building now go start. Okay. You understand? So now so I will tell before you know you don't start your own building, you can't get relaxed. Okay. Because if you see now we do every year. Now, before I come out, I'm going to say I ask you that question because I just remember I make I ask you. Good, now, very important. Before we come out now what will be the packages when it be say when I get? Because Atol mentioned Kelly Villa. Yes. Kelly's Villa. Now, what will be other packages when I get? Like the one with me I like, where? Now, this is a bit own way, so say 3.5 million naira. You understand? Apart from Kelly's Villa and that 3.5 million naira own, which other packages will I get? Because now, as you take talk, now where your hand reach you, now you go feed you. Yes. And what make me like Livelihood Homes? What make me like Livelihood Homes? Say, most people when they sell land, some people they go tell you, bring 700,000, bring 1.something million, bring 10 million. What make me like now be say, now. Where they sell tomato, you go fit save small money, take buy am. Even the rich and the poor, they buy. You understand? So make it not the thing come say now only rich people they buy land. No. If you had no rich Owekuru, you go rich Ikorodu. If you have no rich Ikorodu, you go rich Mowe extension. You understand? If you don't feel say your pocket don't swell up, you don't get savings. You want buy for Lekki or Abeju, like anywhere, or go Kelly's Villa, you go get where you get your own good house. Now, before we come up for Inside Studio now. I beg. Anytime when we say we come on, we're not only to make una laugh, now also to make una belly happy. So that if I remember, I go say, I remember that day where they watch TV when they do easy beat, Atulu, and not tell me this thing. If not be say I watch TV that day, oh Jehovah, thanks sir. Anyway, double toilet all of now when we say don't follow us there on Top TV show today. My name is Nathaniel. Until next time, una bye. Maybe Nat and Atul one day again they feel can show today for discuss about how you feel take it better your life. Carry your ministry from where you did, go to permanent start hallelujah somebody. Anyway, now good night and bye-bye.